Parmesan cheese. Top it off with basil. Quick, easy, delicious recipe. I paired it up with your focaccia so you can make ahead and serve it together. Hi, my name is Anna. I've been baking for the past 20 years. I've developed a passion for baking from my Italian parents. So join me for some delicious, quick, authentic recipes. I have hundreds to choose from and to share with you. So whether you're just starting out or have an interest in baking, follow me and we'll get inspired. Benvenuti, welcome. Today we're making pasta pomodoro con ricotta, which is a tomato pasta. So for this recipe, you'll need cherry tomatoes, olive oil, white wine, basil, ricotta cheese, parmesan cheese, salt, paprika, and garlic, and of course pasta. I'll have the full recipe at the end. Okay, so we're gonna start by crushing our garlic. And I've got quite a few here because you really want the garlic taste. And just get the back of your knife and just kind of give it a tap. And just, you don't want it minced, but just enough that flavor, the garlic flavor comes right through. There we go. So we're gonna saute these with your tomatoes. Start by adding a bit of olive oil to your pan. Now you don't have to use a saucepan. You could also do this in a really nice large casserole and just put everything together, and it works so nicely in the oven. You don't want to burn the garlic, you just want the flavor. So then we add our tomatoes. Of course, your salt. And paprika. So you want to cook this down just a little bit before you add your white wine. So we're going to add some basil to this, and you just have to break it up, and that's okay if they're large pieces. You want the cherry tomatoes to be soft, but you don't want them all pureed. And we're going to add our white wine to this. Now you're going to cook this down, and we'll give it a few minutes. So now we're going to add our ricotta cheese. This way it can cook together. So colorful. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. We'll lower that down, let it simmer a bit. Okay, so our tomatoes are ready. We have a pot of water to boil, ready for our pasta, and just add some salt. Okay, our water's ready for our pasta. Give that a stir. So we'll let this cook for 12 minutes. Okay, so our pasta is ready. There we go. Okay, so our pasta's ready, our tomatoes are ready, and you just pour it right over top. Get all that goodness out. There we go. And what I've done is you want to go ahead and save some of your water, pasta water, and just pour just a little and just toss it. Look how beautiful that is. Parmesan cheese. I like a fair amount. This is such a quick, easy recipe to make. And if you want more ricotta cheese, you could definitely add more on top. And then of course you want to add some more parmigiano. Then I love basil, so we're just gonna top it off with basil. Like that, looks gorgeous. There we go. quick, easy, delicious recipe. I paired it up with your focaccia so you can make ahead and serve it together. So if you enjoyed this recipe, like and subscribe. Your support is encouraging.